In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT image limit 2026 full guide. If you're bumping into upload errors or confusing caps, this walkthrough will help you understand exactly what's going on and how to work smoothly within the limits. First, every individual image you upload must be under 20 megabytes. Supported formats include PNG, JPEG, WebP, and static GIFs. That static note matters. Animated GIFs aren't supported here. Most photos from modern phones will slide under the 20 MB ceiling without issue. If you're working with professional RAW files, convert them to JPEG or PNG before uploading to stay compatible and reduce size. Next, images follow a dual limit model that combines daily caps with rolling windows based on your subscription tier. On the free tier, you can upload 2 images per day. The plus tier allows up to 50 images per day and up to 80 total file uploads every 3 hours. Team and business tiers double that to 100 images per day and up to 160 files every 3 hours. One key timing detail. Daily image caps reset at midnight UTC, not your local time. If you operate across time zones or plan heavy work, schedule around that UTC reset to maximize your throughput. When batching work, you can attach up to 20 files or images in a single message. This is perfect for side-by-side comparisons. Think datasets, storyboard frames, or design iterations. Just remember, unused image quotas don't roll over. If you know a big visual sprint is coming, map it across the UTC daily reset so none of your allocation goes to waste. In 2026, images uploaded to non-temporary chats are saved to your persistent file library and count against cloud storage. The free tier includes 500 MB, Go offers 4 GB, Plus and Business provide 20 GB, and Pro gives you 100 GB. If you hit storage ceilings, clear out old image-heavy threads or delete assets in settings, then storage, to reclaim space before your next upload. If you see upload limit reached before you hit your daily quota, a few things might be happening. During global peak traffic, OpenAI may apply dynamic throttles to keep everything stable. You can still succeed by compressing large files or downscaling high-resolution mockups to WebP or a 1080p JPEG. This lightens processing and reduces timeouts. And if your file library is full, switch to a temporary chat to process ad hoc images without using library storage. And that is all for today. Keeping your images optimized and knowing your tier's rolling limits is the key to an efficient, error-free AI design workflow. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.